Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Let's talk about 2 ways that you can increase your affiliate commissions on your small YouTube channel. The first way that I want to talk to you about today is to build an email list using your YouTube channel. Now, you may think that advice is old and outdated, but let me bore you with a current statistic. In 2019, global email users amounted to about 3.9 billion. These are statistics from Statista in 2020. And you can see here also in 2023, this figure is set to grow to 4.3 billion users. That's half the population of the world. So don't think at this point that building an email list is not worth your time and your effort. And speaking of that, let me show you what this actually looks like when you go ahead and you implement this first tip of building an email list. On the screen, you see a simple funnel and you have your target audience. Your target audience is obviously on YouTube. They're going to find your YouTube videos. And then when you make a YouTube video, you are going to get them over to an opt-in page. And from that opt-in page, they are going to be added to your email list. From there, you will have the opportunity to follow up with them with more content and offers, either back to your YouTube channel or to other content and offers such as a blog, and then over to your affiliate offer after they get on your email list. Let's talk about this right here for a second, this follow-up back to your YouTube channel. So you have your target audience on your email list and then you send them back to your YouTube channel. So what are you sending them back to your YouTube channel for? That leads me to tip number 2 about the type of content that you're producing on your YouTube channel that is going to increase your affiliate commissions. And that type of content, that type of video specifically, is the review video or the product review video. Products that you use and that you know that work and you want to recommend to your audience to earn an affiliate commission. And by creating these product reviews, they're going to be able to see exactly how you use the product and exactly what you think of the product. And in a lot of cases, the product in action, so they can determine if this product is right for them or not, leading again to an increase in your affiliate commissions. Here you can see a keyword, the best chainsaw. Replace chainsaw with any product that you're promoting, and if you scroll down, you're going to see some videos here that are the best chainsaw videos, or one brand versus another brand, or a top 5 listing of the best chainsaws, as well as you can actually move into the keyword, in this case, Husqvarna 450 Rancher Review, which is a very specific type of chainsaw, and the keyword review. Then you can scroll down here and you can see a very popular type of review video, the box opening review video, which is simply just this YouTuber actually purchasing a Husqvarna chainsaw, opening the box, and making a video about how to actually use it. And then, of course, as you see here, the 450 Rancher chainsaw can then be purchased right here via an affiliate link over on Amazon. And I get it. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that building an email list is a waste of your time and effort. And also, if you try to get people to opt in, they simply won't opt in and you'll lose that chance. But the simple fact of the matter is, and I'll bore you with another statistic, is that email delivers a strong return on investment. That for every dollar you spend on email marketing, you can expect an average return of $42. So what that means is, if you were to spend $1 or you were to equate the time that you take to build an email list, and you say that you spend $1 to get a person on that email list, you're going to get $42 back in return for every single person that opts in to your email list. Of course, that is over a set amount of time as you build a relationship with that email list. And also the simple fact is that once you get someone onto your email list, you have a direct one-on-one conversation with them in their email inbox. And just like you see here in this diagram, people are looking for your YouTube videos, meaning new people, which are your target audience. But once you get them to opt in, they'll be on your email list and they will be open to getting more information about the products they're interested in. For example, that review video that you just posted on your YouTube video that they may not be looking for or thinking about, but if you send them an email, they'll open that email, watch that video, and then over to the affiliate offer. Again, where you've just increased your affiliate commissions. If you'd like to know more about exactly how this process works, from setting up a YouTube channel, building an email list, and doing review type style videos, go ahead, click on the video you see on the screen right now, watch that, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.